It's no secret that Filipinos are romantic people, but while not exactly a taboo topic, there are still inhibitions about sex talk. But what if you could live out your wildest fantasies behind closed doors? I'm here at the Victoria Courts Hotel in Pasig City to find out how they're preparing for the upcoming season of Love and Lust. Whether you're a traditionalist that dreams about gondola rides in Venice, or perhaps a modernist with more presidential desires, this hotel hopes to appeal to all extreme romantics. It's one of many in the city's row of motels that are very popular with lovers.
Filipino people are actually conservative in that manner. However, they are taking things nice and slow, but they are giving their all when it comes to romance and love.
With a reputation as the world's most emotional society, it should come as no surprise that Valentine's is a widely celebrated holiday in the Philippines. But it's a day that puts added pressure on couples to plan something unique. Guests are invited to indulge in their most outrageous fantasies and enjoy the added amenities. But gimmicks aside, Casey insists that their biggest selling point is their discretion.
A hush sign of our look is actually intending for privacy. That's one of our unique selling proposition. We pay much importance in giving our guests the privacy that they need and that they actually require.
Hotel policy includes covering license plates and storing limited information on their visitors. It even requires housekeepers to avoid making eye contact with guests.
Yeah, I think it's part of Filipino culture that when it comes to love and romance, they wanted to stay it privately. That's not something to be shared to everybody, not unless it's for a show.
So if you're looking to play a Romeo this Valentine's, rest assured that there are places for private passions. Devon Wong, Rappler, Manila.